Topic 13 is again another similar topic. It may not be exactly the same, but they are similar to the concepts, similar in concepts. Over here, they have asked you to find the critical numbers using first derivative test and also the location of maximum minimum points, which is the local maxima or minima. We can do it. We have done this plenty of times now. First, find the derivative f dash of x. That will be 4x cube plus this 3 comes, it'll be 12x square. That's it. So now you can use your calculator to find the roots, or you can do algebraic substitutions. Over here 4 is common, so and take x square also common, sorry. So you're remaining with x plus for 3 times 12, so for x plus 3. So now the answer would be x is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 3. These are the critical numbers. So we got the critical numbers. See, x is 0 and minus 3. So this is very simple. What about the next step? To find which is maximum and minimum. Draw a straight line. Minus 3 will be somewhere over here. This is 0. And now take test values. I'll take minus 4 over here. Says minus 1 over here and 1. Simple values so that the calculation is simpler. The derivative is over here. I need to substitute it up over here. 4 into minus 4 the whole cube plus 12 into 4 minus 4 square. So now this will become minus itself. See now what happens over here? Since negative sign is there, for cube the negative sign will remain. Whereas if it was a square, it will diminish. So now what we do is over here, we will just substitute this value. It will be around 416, 64, but negative. Negative is 4 times 64 plus over here the negative sign goes. So everything is in positive into 16. Now looking at this, I'm not going to solve everything. Just looking at this, you can understand this will be a predominant value. See, this is much bigger compared to the other one because 60 is there. This will be 6 4s are 240 over 250. And this will be just nearly 200. So the first value over here, if with the test, is minus. So that is the thing. Now, I have just done it directly, but you can use your calculator. It's very simple in calculator. Now, next one, take minus 1. Substitute over here. 4 times minus 1, the whole cube, plus 12 minus 1 the whole square. Always in the f dash or y dash, the derived function, you need to substitute the test values. And now over here it'll be minus 4 and over here it'll be plus 12. Okay, why? Because this will be positive and this remains. When it's odd power, the negative sign remains, whereas even power, it will diminish. It'll be minus into minus will be plus. So will be plus. That's why whenever it is positive, even power, it'll be positive, whereas the negative, another one negative will make it negative. So the answer over here is positive value, and take a positive value over here now. Positive one, sorry. This will be just positive because both the sides are positive. Now over here it will be plus 4 plus 12. Answer is positive. See, now you do not need to solve the entire value. You just need the positive value or negative value, because negative means it is decreasing, whereas positive means it's increasing, and over here it's again positive, it's increasing. So what do you understand over here is there is a minimum point at 3. 3 is a local minimum. You can see over here why? Because it's dipped, but then it does not dip. So the graph will be something like this and it just goes on up. So x equals 0 doesn't have a maximum or minimum, so it is not an extremum. Why? Because it's not dipping, it's not changing. Only when it changes sign, you can write this maximum or minimum. So this is it. There is no graphing over here they have asked, but if at all the graphing is asked, we have done this already. So please watch the previous videos and you can easily know how to graph as well. Similarly, you can try the other problems. Now over here also, only thing is finding the derivative. Over here you need to use product rule. Find the derivative and then do the test. Once you find the critical number derivative, equate it to 0 and find the critical number and then do the test values, substitute in the derived equation, and then you can easily find the answers. All the answers and steps are mentioned over here. So please do it by yourself and then check the answers.